Introducing Crocodile Caravan Park. A busy freehold park with cabins, campsites and great reviews. Lightning Ridge, New South Wales. Family owned and operated for many years, Crocodile Caravan Park is a very busy freehold enterprise in the outback mining town of Lightning Ridge. The park offers a variety of accommodation, including 13 grassed-powered sites, 6 fully self-contained ensuite cabins, 5 self-contained standard cabins, and 6 self-contained caravans with permanent annexes. This excellent investment includes everything, even the fully furnished owner's or manager's residence attached to reception. With rave reviews on TripAdvisor, Wikicamps and Facebook, this unique small business is immaculately presented and attracts a good mix of tourists, annuals and some permanents. A 2009 Nissan Navara ute is included in the sale, along with mowers, tools and other appliances, so the new owner can walk straight in and start operating. Over the last 9 years, the current owners have revamped the park to create a more modern and relaxed atmosphere, and the lovely in-ground swimming pool is a big hit with everyone. Crocodile Caravan Park has been established for over 30 years and has an outstanding reputation for its great service and superb amenities. The camp kitchen is spacious and well equipped, with free gas barbecues and hot plates, microwave, fridges and freezer, gas heaters, TV and even a pizza oven that also roasts and bakes. There are separate male and female amenities blocks, as well as a laundry and gas decanting service, which offers an additional and profitable income to the park operators. A separate, newly refurbished disabled shower and toilet with wheelchair access has been a great addition, making the park accessible to more guests. Recently, the park joined with Kui Parks, a company that only partners with small, well-maintained, clean and friendly caravan parks that offer good value for money. This pet-friendly park features some great extras for the new owner, including 24-hour video surveillance, 100 solar panels, and reverse cycle air conditioning throughout the residence, office and reception area. Walking distance to the club, pub, shops, chemist, post office and news agency. Guests love the range of accommodation and excellent value. Located in the heart of Lightning Ridge, this is a great location from which to explore local opal mines and shops and discover famous Australian artists like John Murray. Crocodile Caravan Park can be operated by 3 or 4 people and offers a fantastic and lucrative lifestyle change for a motivated buyer.